Hey, it's Robert Farrell. If you click this banner ad right here, you can get a free turnkey recipe website simply by sharing me on social media. That's right. Let me share with you what I'm talking about. This is one of my student Becky's website. She created this turnkey website in less than 5 minutes and then spent the next 45 minutes curating it with her correct colors. Now, Becky doesn't have to do any recipes. These recipes were curated from YouTube. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So simply click the banner ad and two things will happen. You'll get free training how to do this one step at a time, my roadmap to success of how you can make 6 figures a year with your recipe website within the next 12 to 15 months. More importantly, the opportunity that if you click the banner ad, go to my website and share me on social media, you'll have the opportunity to get your own free turnkey website for the next 2 years, a $299 value. This will typically be $299 per year, yours free for the next 2 years, simply for sharing me with so many people on social media. Now, there is a $5 registration fee, full disclosure. I'm here to help you every step of the way. The opportunities are unreal with an online recipe website. You can make yourself a lot of income. Recipes, gardening, fitness videos, those are top-notch niches to be in on YouTube. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So click the banner ad, go check out my free recipe videos, and get the opportunity to earn with your own turnkey website, completely free of charge. Yes, there's a $5 registration fee, but the website itself is normally $299. You share me on social media with so many people, and you'll get a turnkey website free for the next 2 years. Thanks for being here. My name's Robert Farrell. Stay home, stay safe. Carpe Diem 2020.